Hi everyone. Today you can see how I prepare a complete meal for my baby. Now she's 1.5 years. So you can try this to your babies. First we need carrot, tomato and egg, as well as salt to taste and butter. Now this is cleaned and washed carrot. First cut it into slices like this. They should be somewhat thick. We are going to prepare carrot chips for babies. Now add 1 cup of water and boil carrot slices. Meanwhile, let's prepare tomato paste. Cut tomato into small pieces. And grind with some salt to taste. You can add salt only if your baby is above 1 year. So now tomato paste is ready. Now you can see the carrots are boiled well, and here add 2 teaspoons of butter into a pan, and now we are going to fry carrot slices. So you have to fry them until they become golden color. So you should do this in a very low flame. So it will take some time. So meanwhile, let's prepare the omelet. So here break the egg into a bowl, and you should add some salt to taste, and a spoon of if you have homemade cereal powder, they are okay. Here I add 3 portions. As well as sesame seeds. Now mix very well and prepare the omelette. Cook the other side also. Okay, now I have finished preparing the meal. Now I add them into my baby's plate. Here are carrot chips, an omelet, and this is tomato paste, as well as I add watermelon for her dessert. So try this at home and send us your comments, and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching this video.